Hey there, welcome to the Olymp Trade channel, the place to be if you want to up your trading game. It's Gaspar with you here. I've got Alex with me today.
Hello.
We'll be discussing the 3 trading modes available on the Olymp Trade platform to find out which one suits you best.
That's right, Gaspar. Each of the trading modes, the fixed time trades, also known as FTT, the stocks, and Forex offers unique opportunities and challenges that can align with your financial goals and risk tolerance.
Let's go. Alex, let's start with some terms and definitions. What is FTT?
Let's start with the basics. FTT, or fixed time trades, is known for its simplicity and predetermined profitability. In this mode, the main idea is to predict the price movement of an asset within a specific time interval.
Okay, can you give me a concrete example?
Sure. Let's imagine the Asian Composite Index has 93% profitability. If you invest $10 and you predict the movement of the index correctly, your return will be $19.3. But if you make a mistake, you lose your $10 investment.
All right, the figures make sense to me. Now, I understand FTT is about precision and timing. So, what's the picture about the timing context?
Okay, let's say we open a 30-second uptrade on the Asian Composite Index. If by 30 seconds the price of the index is higher than when we open the trade, then our trade would have closed with profit.
Now it seems clear to me. So Alex, let's now move on to Forex. What is Forex?
Well, in Forex you can work with assets such as currency pairs, stocks, ETFs, indexes, cryptocurrencies, amongst many others.
All right, and how does the mode generally compare to FTT?
Well, in contrast to the FTT, your profitability on Forex is not fixed. Your profit potential depends not only on whether price moves in the direction that you predicted, but how far away that price moves in this direction. Also, certain factors that can influence your profit potential is your stop loss and take profit, and also the multiplier that you use.
Interesting. I think now I got the general idea. All right, Alex, let's now move to the stocks mode. Tell me about the stocks mode.
Okay. In the stocks mode, you get to trade on the share price of larger companies, which can be ideal for balancing risk.
All right. Main question. I'm sure a lot of traders will have the same question. Do they get to own an actual share of the company? And does it make them entitled to the company dividend?
No, users don't have to own a share of the companies that are available on the platform. You only get to make profits when the share price of a specific company goes up.
Okay. For example,
in case if you open a buy trade on, let's say, on BMW for 100 euros, in case if the share price that is increases to 150 euros and you wish to execute a sell trade, the company or the platform will only charge you a small commission once you execute this trade.
Okay, seems clear to me now. Can you show it to me live? I want to see it with my own eyes.
Sure, let's have a quick demonstration.
All right, let's see. Excellent. Now then, how does the stocks mode compare to Forex and FTT?
Well, in FTT, your profit is predetermined. In stocks trading mode, your profit is determined by the changes in the share prices. And in Forex, it is determined by the price changes and also the multiplier that you use.
Excellent. I think I now got a clear idea of all the 3 modes available on the platform. So now, Alex, before we close, could you give some sort of conclusive advice to our traders?
Yeah, sure. Remember that a journey to successful trading starts by making informed decisions. So research, educate yourself, and start on a demo account to have a real feel of the market without any risk.
Excellent. That's a worthy advice. Trade smart, be good, and we'll be back to you with more interesting videos like this. See you.
Bye-bye.